your boy B Smooth. We back at it again. Week two, baby. A nice Silverado build, man. Like I say, man, we got a lot accomplished. You know, we got a lot accomplished. Damn, man, I'm sorry about that, man. My phone, folks be trying to call and shit, but we got a lot of shit accomplished, man. I can't lie, man. The truck turning out amazing. Some stuff got to be redone. Some stuff got to be changed over. I mean, everything looking magnificent, man. So, hey, let's get into it, man. Let's get it. You guys finna get started on installing the door panels. Let's get it, man. Out with the old end with the new, man. We got back panels here, front panels. Let's get it. We got our wires ran through the door now. I gotta cut the little section out right here. Then we're gonna keep this shit rolling. Let's get it. These are the speakers that's going in. We have the DS18 Pro X10s. Yes, so the X10s. Big shout out to DS18 on these right here, the DS18 Pro. You know, yeah. Big shout out to them. I don't really give a shit here. They don't sponsor me. But anyway, pretty good ass speakers. I've used them a bunch of times. They're loud. They're doable. They last a long time. So let's get it. Guys, now I'm finna sit back and check the polarity of everything. Try to hold this while I check it real quick. All moving together, polarity is on point. Let's get it. Well, it raining. Rain, sleet, hail, snow. I gotta get this shit done. I'm gonna get it done. Alright guys, another week has passed. We ain't got long. Got all the wires ran to the back. Well, all the wire for the front ran to the back. Got my little niece and nephews and kids over here playing, so yeah, it get hectic. 2 runs of height ran back here. The only thing I had to do was secure him some grounds to the frame. Like I said, I'm gonna do a couple of grounds to the frame. All of that back here. Doors are in. Doors are in. Polarity checked on all the doors. Just about everything you can name just about been done. So we don't have much more to go. We gotta run all these straight to the back side. On this side, I have one side done, but I still gotta run it for this side. So I should be able to get that done in the morning. Hopefully. I still gotta, once I actually get the truck off the ground with my lift, well, my little floor jack over here, put it on jack stands, then I go ahead and wire all the lights and everything up. Go ahead and put the backup camera in probably tomorrow as well. I don't know if I'm gonna add that to this video or the next. So the video keep going, then I'll add it. If it don't, then it'll be for next week. But it's just coming along, like I say. Everything's coming along just fine, so we're gonna get all this right here situated, and shit, let's get it. I told y'all we were gonna wait to do the video, but you know what? We're gonna keep it going, man. I don't feel like start working. We got a yard full out here right now, man. We got a yard full. And I got a secret over there in that corner. I ain't talking about that car. It beside that car. It's a little secret. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a night revealing of the little secret over there. Not that car. But if you look past it, let me zoom on in. You can see something behind it. Ooh, boy. We're going to do a little secret reveal on that thing. Let's get it, y'all. Got inside down and put back together. Still got a little wiring I got to do down here. Don't pay down no attention. I just got to cut some zip ties, to be honest, and put this back up. Like I say, all the doors are in. All doors are in. All wires are ran to the back. All wires and everything ran to the back. Backup camera and all that is hooked up. All the lights are now working. We have all lights working. And I am tired. Let's see what they look like. I gotta download some kind of app or something. And that's just one rock light per wheel. That's just one per wheel. Clean it out for him and everything, get all my utensils out the way. All the way to the back side. She is bright. So we have all of this done for this week. So y'all already know what's up next. Next up, we'll be doing all the wiring back here. Get some sound out of it. So this should be our last video of this truck here, man. That's a little surprise that finna happen with this truck. Got a little surprise for you. We ain't gonna stop there. We're gonna keep it rolling. Like I say, man, it's one of my good YouTube subscriber truck right here, man. You know, still gotta get the speakers hooked up and stunt wall, yada yada yada. But this one of my good YouTube subscriber trucks, man. So I appreciate the love, appreciate the support, man. I appreciate all y'all watching. I can't lie, man. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. I don't think I can say stay tuned. More is on the way. Trust and believe. More is coming. Let's get it.
Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. Fuck cloud, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ayy, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ayy, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a very freaky girl, she know how to work the pole. Ayy, make them throw a large amount. Real drop nigga.